Okay, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. So at this video, I would like to create. In this video, we would like to continue our Cisco learning program. Uh, for this video, we'll try to create uh, IGRP authentication. You can see in here IGRP authentication. What we will do at this video, we'll try to add some keychain and then add the encryption using MD5 and then establish the neighbor agency with one of your router and advertise the junk router. And then we'll try by using this two router configuration. You can use this two router topology. For me, we will create three router, but we will just use only two. And then for making the time more shorter, we will continue to the EV. Uh, you can see uh, at this case we will use three router, but the one that we will use is just two. This one the this one only. Like this. We'll use just only two. Ethernet 0/0 to Ethernet slash 0/0, router 1 to router 2. The connection we already add, you can see in here. Do show IP route already in here IGRP. This is his IP loopback and then the network 12 12 12 2. And then you can see also in here is the way to go to router number 3. And then before we start the IGRP authentication, we should retest is the router is already connected or no. You can call the IP loopback. Then as you can see, the rate is already 100% at the round trip. Okay, first for the first step, we'll do exit first. Exit, go to router config, and then in here also enable config. And then it's like this, already like this. First step is by go to router number 1 at the keychain, key and key string. At router 1 here, key keychain, and then add the name. For example, in here I use IDN, then enter. After done, type key 1, enter, and then add the key string. Key string DKG, for example, and then enter. After this, the configuration. After this configuration, we already make the authentication string, and then for next configuration is by adding the authentication and adding the key string to the interface. We can go to the interface that connected to router number 2. There is Ethernet 0/0. Then after like this, add IP authentication mode IGRP so MD5 enter, and then IP authentication keychain IGRP 12, and then call the the keychain name. Last time we used IDN, right? And then enter. After like this, it should be the configuration it should be done. And then you can go to router number 2 first for check is the router uh, if the router is already do the configuration wait, debug ERP. Okay, if I'll like this, the keychain is already connect actually, and then you can exit, and then we can go to router number two. Then if already like this, we can go to router number 2 and then uh, do our next configuration that will mm, here do the same things by router number 1 by adding the keychain. Terus is IDN enter and then key number 1 key string tkg enter. After that, go to the interface. Go to the interface in Ethernet 0/0 enter, and then IP authentication mode EGRP 12 MD25 enter, and then IP authentication keychain EGRP 12 EDN enter. After done, our configuration should be done. You can check on the debug test on router number 1. Okay, maybe that's all for my video. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.